Hi everyone, today I will try to speak during I do my makeup. It's can take longer, but I will try to do fast, and maybe some parts I will cut and do my voice recording after. Yeah, I can check out. So let's start. Okay, and we start with toner. I don't use some cream or primer under my makeup just for make it more lighter and don't overload my skin. So basically I put some like all over the face. It's from HC Hyaluronic. If you do see it, I can recommend it. It's really a nice one. My almost done. We'll start with the base. Another my favorite is, if I correct, it's Japanese or Korean powder BB cream, and usually I'm using the sponge from this to apply my cream, and I start with this. Actually I don't apply too much. I'm usually cover some space under my eye and also around my mouth, because months ago I have bad allergy. I think it was from stress, but yeah, right now it's getting better, but still. And yeah, even for show I don't apply too much. You see, and right now I need to blend this pretty well, and this is actually really comfort. So just simple moves like this. Well, yeah, here we're done. So just a little bit of this, and I just go under my eye again. But I suggest you, if you worry that you make up a mess or something, just do this later. I mean after you do your eye makeup. So yeah, just matte. You see, just a little bit, and I try to blend it really well. By the way, today we will do makeup for the clown. Like, I'm not clown there, but kinda it's like Circus 9020 from War Production. So I'm trying to keep like old circus atmosphere with a face like typical clown's line, maybe some smile, of course a lot of glitter. So yeah, you're gonna see. And actually in the evening after work I will try to make this makeup for the horror, because I want to keep my Halloween thematic. So yeah, skin is fully prepared for the makeup. Get started. Yeah, and usually before I start my makeup I don't have any like paperwork. I mean like now I basically draw what I want to, or round what I want to see in my face today. Usually I don't do this, and I just like, okay, follow my ideas for today. Go around these colors, and I want to use this glitter, just pink, and just lightly touch my eyelid, because you can tell it's without primer, without anything. It's a kind of nice pigment. And you see I start to make a little bit molding to here, so the darker parts will be in this inner. The same we do with another eye. A little bit more here. Add it out. Well, you see, I'm touched deeply, and then like in and out, and this like smooth, super smooth. A little bit deep purple. I will go with matte eyeshadow because I don't want to be too much sparkle. I have like a shimmer one, but I will choose the matte one there in this corner. From dark to light, more smooth. Pink in this area, like under the glitter part, and I will see about this dark line and this round, so kinda we'll figure out how it will look in the end texture. A little bit dramatic, classic clown look, what I was talking about. Cute little heart. See, pigments. because usually they sell in a palette, and which is quality not always successful, not always satisfied with the quality. Right now I'm gonna show you some life hack from me. Basically it's how to make your eyeshadow more darker, like wet technique, let's say. I will use this Hello Tony wet wipes or something, and basically make my brush wet. But you must be careful, right now pigment will be a lot more darker, but you cannot blend this that well, so you need to put this very carefully and only. Also right now it's getting dry, so I just use my empty space here. I add some here, you can see how smoothly that's just lightly, gently touching this area, and just blend it together. Yeah, a little bit more black. As well, you can use this makeup for the Halloween too, actually. Yeah, it's not everyday makeup and not for each show suitable, so I don't go up, I go on black and move like, and it's fine. Yes, here empty. I still think about main color for eyelid will be this glitter, or will it just clean beige, or like soft rose or pink, whatever. So I mean, what I do right now, which I'm sure about, is here you can see I didn't do that much blending because I'm still not sure what's going on here. What's going on here? I'm back. I'm actually do another video for like trend, for like introduce this makeup, so it's taking longer, and right now it's almost 4. No, it's 4 already, and I need to be ready for the show, but still have time for a while. Okay, and right now I'm gonna apply some glitter, gold, purple, green. Here's actually a lot of color. I hope on my face you can see this better. For applying the glitter, I usually use hair gel. So for applying, I will use my fingers and our clean brush for pick up the shiny parts. So apply a little bit here. Don't go with too thick layer. In opposite side, it will be not have some of them. Little by little. Yes, maybe you already can see it. I hope so. Yeah, glitter always everywhere around. Yes, cutie. See? And actually right now I can see these parts. I can add a little bit more color because I see other like deeper purple and a little bit yellow. Actually, if you add yellow to purple or to pink, it will make more fresh. It's like dragon fruit colors. It's like when you compare, not comparing colors, if there's a way to say this way. For example, I like bright green and purple, it's make me crazy, or orange and green. Let's try something tomorrow for luminosity. No, not tomorrow. After tomorrow we have another show on luminosity, and there let's try something like with crazy color collaboration. Yes, satisfying. Possible it's not the last glitter on my face today. Nope, not the last. Here I want to make some heart, but we'll do this with this. Yeah, it's mascara, nice. No idea which brand. I'm actually use this only for do some drawing or something on my face. Basically, I'm gonna do some heart here. I think heart. Yeah, it's gonna be heart. But I wanna use this style of drawing, so it's like empty inside. And go, just tap. Add a little bit more because I see some transparent part which I don't want to see. And we need to make it dry really properly because some part is just too thick. Yeah, I'm kind of happy with this. And I got another idea. I'll take my cute pink let's go with the same here, but we will take just a little bit, not dip your brush too much, because we need just a little bit blush here and here. And I'm gonna go inside the heart, just a little bit. And a little bit around. I didn't put this at the first because I still want to have transparent black parts, like part without any color, just black and skin. Really little, because we don't want to mix it with our blush here. Put a little bit pink here. I hope I will not regret about this. Yeah, I think looks good. Here I will go right now super light, and I use this pigment. It's a little bit shiny gold pinkish, so actually this will be the shiny part here. And just to apply like some concealer or pomade, which I'm usually use from Max Factor, L'Oreal's brush for this. Okay, and I use this brush. Double check if it's clean. Okay, and slowly apply. You see? I hope you can see. Yeah, that was what I was looking for all my life. That's how this refreshed the full look for the makeup. And this looks nice. I don't know if you can tell, this also have like gold yellow part on the light, so it's like wow. And here I blend it together, just small touches. And right now my favorite part, which usually change all the makeup, is eyelash. Big curl and it's kind of fluffy. It's my favorite for the show. I apply some lashes here. I'm usually let it dry for even sometimes for a minute, but inner part and go out, and you can go up, and this make it look more fresh. Check what I want to add more, or I don't want to add anything, and actually I want to add some more, some extra, a little bit cute doll look. I still think if I should add some stones here, because actually I have this one, which you can't see, of course, they all the way around. This is like crystal AD. I will try to add a few and we'll see how it will work. I still believe if I will do cleaning my room properly, I will have enough stones around for that make another costume. I'm pretty sure. I will add some here, very randomly, not on the clean spot, not on the too black, just very randomly to have this light shine. Start from the yes, actually I think it looks not that bad. Yeah, I think so. It will add some shine, extra shine on the stage. Shine like a diamond, like Rihanna say. My lips will be this color. It's a Maybelline and 65 Seductress lip color, and it's matte and very strong. So basically I can drink coffee between show, I can eat between show, I can eat after show, I can take a shower, remove my makeup, and this still on. So yeah, you need to remove this very properly. And I usually use, I think, Garnier micellar water with for removing waterproof makeup. So yeah, this is really strong. Yeah, like this. I can apply a little bit pigment on this, and this will be hold the same good as lipstick too. So using this brush, and I will add some pink just on the middle, because this looks a little bit empty, this color I mean, for the stick. Add our sparkle parts. Okay. And blend it to the sides. I think I'm done. I don't think I need more shiny part as much as I would like to add more. I think I should stop on this. Okay, but after I will do this too. Bloody creepy Halloween clown style makeup. Oh my god, what I was talking about, like, whatever. Thank you for watching the video. Leave your comment at the bottom, and please tell me which makeup you want more. Right now it will be more like show and Halloween thematic. Later maybe will become like a Christmas cute style makeup. No, but this Christmas time I'll be in Europe and this makes me excited. Okay, whatever. So yeah, let me know which makeup you want more. Maybe some like fashion glow makeup for photo shoot, or some like diva style makeup, or something like for the evening for special occasions, or even wedding makeup. Who knows? Okay, follow me for more. Thank you for watching the video.